Morning everyone. Now let's begin our new session of English, and our today's topic is tenses, and we are going to do simple past tense. Hi, I am Japneet and this class is for class 4th. Let's begin. So before beginning simple past tense, I want to recap what we have learned in previous sessions, that what are tenses, what types of tenses, and which types of tenses we have already done, so that we can connect to the previous session and learn about our today's new session. So what are tenses? Tenses are the category that expresses time with reference to the moment of speaking, that is time of action. It also indicates the continuation or completeness of an action or state in relation to the time of speaking. They are usually shown by the use of specific forms of verb. So tenses क्या बताते हैं about the time of action and the work done in that time, and it is shown by the form of verb. We have already done verbs. I have given you the past form of the verbs already in the verb session, so you need to revise all those verbs for this session. Now, what type of tenses are there? There are three types of tenses. Those are present tense, past tense and future tense. And these three tenses are subcategorized in simple present, present continuous, simple past, past continuous, simple future and future continuous. There are more types to these three tenses, but for this session we are only going to do these six tenses. Now let's move on to the recapitulation of present tense. What we have done in present tense. So what is the difference between the simple present tense and present continuous tense? Simple present tense tells us about the permanent situations, general truth or facts, habits and routine, and also future timetables. Let's see these situations, these things through examples. She works in a bank. This is a permanent situation that वो काम करती है बैंक में, permanent है ये. General truth is the sun rises in the east. हमेशा sun east से ही rise करता है. Habit and routines displays our general things we do in our daily life. I play tennis every Tuesday. So this is my routine. रोज का मेरा routine है कि हर Tuesday मैं tennis खेलने जाती हूँ. Future timetable shows like our train leaves at 11 am. जो हमारी train है वो 11 बजे ही निकलती है. That is fixed. So हर रोज ऐसा ही होता है. Now let's see what is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense shows us unfinished actions now. It also tells about temporary situations, temporary habits, annoying habits, and definite future plans. The things which are in the continuity, अभी progress में है, अभी भी चल रहे हैं, those are present continuous tense. Like I am working at the moment, अभी मैं काम कर रही हूँ. I am living in London. तो मैं अभी लंदन में रह रही हूँ, but that is not my fixed home. It is not necessary that London is my home, but right now I am living in London. He is eating a lot these days. Nowadays he is eating. That doesn't mean that he eats a lot. वो बहुत ज़्यादा खाता है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है. इसका मतलब ये है कि आजकल इन दिनों में वो कुछ ज़्यादा खा रहा है. I am meeting my father tomorrow. मैं कल अपने father से मिलने वाली हूँ. That is present continuous. Progress में है. You are forever losing your keys. हमेशा तुम अपनी चाबियाँ खोते रहते हो. So this tells you the difference between the simple present tense and the present continuous. Let's see them through the rules, how we can make sentences in simple present tense and present continuous tense. So rules are, here we see first person, second person and third person. First person is I, second person is he, she, it, and third person is you, we, they. So in simple present tense, we can make three kinds of sentences by form of be or using has, have, or using a verb. We have to only use one kind of sentence in simple present tense. We cannot combine all these things together. I can't write a sentence I am, have, feel, nothing. So this sentence doesn't mean anything. I am happy, I have a pencil, I feel good. So this is the complete sentence in simple present tense. So I have to only use any one form of this to make a simple present tense. Similarly, in present continuous tense, I only have to use I plus am plus verb plus ing. Like I am playing in the playground. So I only have to use this single type. So I can make a perfect sentence in present continuous tense. With he, she, it, either I have to use is or has or verb plus s or es. For example, he is a boy, he has a pencil, he plays in the park. So I have only used one kind of verb in this sentence, not all together. In present continuous, I will only use he is playing in the playground. With you, we, they, we are going to use either are or have or verb. For example, you are happy, you have many toys, you play in the park. I have only used one type, not all of them together. In present continuous, you are playing in the park. Okay, now let's see some more examples of this. So you can differentiate between simple present tense and present continuous tense. See this? I walk in the park. I am walking in the park. Suraj plays in the playground. Suraj is playing in the playground. Rajni dance well. Rajni is dancing well. Dog barks loudly. Dog is barking loudly. You speak softly. You are speaking softly. तुम soft बोलते हो और तुम अभी बहुत soft बोल रहे हो. Children read story books. Children are reading story book. बच्चे स्टोरी बुक पढ़ते हैं और बच्चे अभी स्टोरी बुक पढ़ रहे हैं. तो कॉन्टिन्यूस है, अभी प्रोग्रेस में है ये. They watch movie together. They are watching movie together. So they are right now watching movie together. That's why we are using present continuous tense. Okay, all right. So now let's begin with our today's topic. What was our today's topic? It was simple past tense. We have already revised what we have done in previous two sessions. We have done tenses, which is present tense, and then the subcategories of those tenses, simple present and present continuous. And today we have started past tense, and we are doing simple past tense today. Then what is simple past tense? The simple past tense is used to talk about the completed actions took place at a specific time in the past. ऐसे actions जो past में पहले ही हो चुके हैं, हमारी बात करने से पहले ही वो काम खत्म हो चुका है. It is also used to talk about the past habits and generalizations. जो पुरानी हमारी आदतें थी या कोई चीजें थी जो पहले ही खत्म हो चुकी हैं, उनके बारे में बताता है. It can also be used with the duration which started and ended in the past. सिर्फ उसी काम के बारे में बताता है जो पहले शुरू हुआ था और हमारी बात करने से पहले ही खत्म हो गया है. Let's see two examples. So simple past tense shows finished time word, like I went to the cinema yesterday. काम हो चुका है कि मैं कल सिनेमा गई थी। फिनिश्ड टाइम पीरियड, वो टाइम पीरियड खत्म हो चुका है। लियोनार्डो पेंटेड द मोनालिसा, कितने टाइम पहले वो पेंट कर चुके हैं मोनालिसा को। डिटेल्स ऑफ न्यूज, आई हैव हर्ट माई लेग, आई फेल ऑफ अ लैडर। तो जब हम कोई चीज बताते हैं किसी को आकर के मैं गिरा था लैडर से और मेरे लेग में चोट लग गई, दैट हैज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड इन द पास्ट। एक्शन इन स्टोरीज, जब हम कोई स्टोरीज में एक्शन बताते हैं या प्रीवियस कोई स्टोरी बताते हैं, लाइक ही सेट डाउन एंड ऑर्डर्ड अ कॉफी, तो हम पहले ये चीज कर चुके हैं कि वो बैठा और उसने ऑर्डर करी कॉफी। अनरियल और इमेजिनरी थिंग्स, अनरियल और इमेजिनरी थिंग्स मतलब कि जो हमारे इमेजिनेशन में, हमारी सोच में है, असलियत में, रियल लाइफ में नहीं है। इफ आई वॉन द लॉटरी आई वुड बाय अ हाउस, अगर मैं जीतता तो मैं हाउस खरीदता, दैट इज इमेजिनेशन। ठीक है, let's move on to subject verb agreement. What is that? We have already discussed about it. This means the rules of writing a sentence. So here we are going to do the rules of writing sentence in simple past tense. All right, so here, like we have done in the simple present tense, forms of be, have, has and the main verb, here in the simple past tense we are going to do forms of be, had and form of verb, main verb. Now in the present tense, form of be was is, am, are. Form of be क्या था present tense में? is, am, are. But past tense में form of be क्या होता है? was and were. And how we are going to use it? Let's see. With I we'll use was, he, she, it, was, you, we, they, were. Let's see through examples. I was in hurry to school, मैं जल्दी में था स्कूल जाने के लिए। Sameer was a robber, समीर रॉबर था। Sakshi was an instrumentalist, साक्षी इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट थी। Who is instrumentalist? जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बजाते हैं। It was not cold yesterday, कल इतना ठंडा नहीं था। You were happy, तुम बहुत खुश थे। We were on a holiday last month. They were playing in the park. Now move on to rule number 2. Here we are going to see how we'll use had in simple past tense. I had a beautiful doll set. Raman had many cars. Ishita had a kitchen set to play. My car had GPS system. You had plenty of time to study. We had an ice cream. They had 4 dogs in their house. So here these sentences show that these things were there with them, but right now they don't have it. It was in the past. उनके I had a doll set, मेरे पास डॉल सेट थी। रमन के पास कार थी। इशिता के पास किचन सेट था। मेरी कार में अच्छा जीपीएस सिस्टम था। तो जो चीजें पास्ट में थी बट अब नहीं है, तो पास्ट में ही ये बात होकर खत्म हो गई है। दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग सिंपल पास्ट टेंस। Let's move on to rule number 3. In this rule, we are going to show the rules used for main verb. So, in the simple past, we use with every form verb plus ed or d, or sometimes we use a irregular verb in which the verb completely changes or remains same. If you remember, we already have discussed these things in the session of verbs So go and check that session and revise the list of regular verbs and irregular verbs from there. Let's see through examples. I read Gulliver Travels. तो मैंने Gulliver Travels पढ़ी. Read, यहाँ पर read का फॉर्म पास्ट में हो गया read, बट उसकी स्पेलिंग सेम ही रहती है. Bishop went to mall on Wednesday. Bishop मॉल गया था Wednesday को. Carol saw rainbow in the sky. Carol ने रेनबो देखा. Panda ate all the bamboo. Panda ने सारा bamboo खा लिया. Panda's favorite food is bamboo. You all know that. You woke up early today. आज तुम जल्दी उठ गए हो. We enjoyed our school picnic. हमने अपनी स्कूल पिकनिक बहुत enjoy करी. They played cricket in the park. उन्होंने पार्क में क्रिकेट खेला. So here we have used main verbs, and main verbs are used as verb plus ed or d, or maybe they are irregular verbs, so they are completely changed or they remain same. So remember these points which I have told you and revise the concepts and rules again and again. Now just let's take a recap of what we have learned. That simple past tense is finished time word. It indicates finished time period. It gives the details of news. It shows the actions in stories, and it tells us about the unreal or imaginary things. Here I am showing you again all three rules of simple past tense we have done with form of be, had, or form of verb. Form of be is was, were. Had is used with every person. I, he, she, it, you, we, they. And with every person, I, he, she, it, you, we, they, we use verb plus ed or d and maybe irregular verb. Alright, so go and check the list of regular and irregular verbs in the session of verbs so that you can memorize and do this session well. Thank you for listening and watching. Try and revise previous sessions for today's session and complete the assignment in timely manner. I am going to discuss assignment. So let's see. Question 1. Write past form. You have to write past form of bring, cost, burn, put, accept, listen, drink, offend. Alright, past forms we have done in the verbs session, so go and check. And also in previous class you have done it. In question 2, answer the following questions using simple past tense. आपको simple past में इस question का answer बनाना है. Where do you go last Sunday? कहाँ गए थे last Sunday? तो you have to write in simple past tense. Fill in the blanks with simple past tense. Simple past tense के साथ आपको blank fill करना है, तो आपको option दिया हुआ है bracket में, उसको देखकर simple past में change करेंगे. Question 4. Find the past form of the following words from the box. आपको ये words दिए हैं, find, run, draw, sit, sing, think. इन सब वर्ड्स के आपको पास्ट फॉर्म इस क्रॉसवर्ड में से फाइंड आउट करने हैं. नाउ क्वेश्चन 5. सर्कल द करेक्ट पास्ट फॉर्म. विच इज द करेक्ट पास्ट फॉर्म? यू हैव टू सर्कल दैट पास्ट फॉर्म. Thank you and enjoy the session, and also if you have not understand it well, then go and watch it again and again for 2 to 3 times so that you can learn things properly. Alright, okay, bye. Take care everyone. Stay safe and healthy at your home.